Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom. I help entrepreneurs get more leads and sales into their businesses. Today, I'm from my Airbnb we're staying at in Orlando as we're house hunting, but I wanted to jump on live and talk about just some simple ways that you can reach your ideal client. As I've been coaching some of our students in Activate and Pin with Purpose, today it's just really hit me how much we are struggling with our messaging and actually reaching our ideal client. So I want to jump on live and talk about that quickly. So one of the things that we actually talked about it last week, we had our live event for Activate, which was amazing. Oh my goodness, it was so fun. Is speak like to a second grader. Like speak as if you were speaking to a second grader. We want to make sure that we're able to reach as many people, right? Like if you're using these super fancy academic words that are hard to understand, you're gonna really go like over your ideal client, right? You wanna make sure that you're speaking just like you would be speaking to your best friend. So keep things super simple. So I was actually giving feedback on like website copy. So look at the words that you're writing, the things that you're doing. If you could cut it in half and use half of what you said, that's gonna help you a lot, right? So simple. Keep things as simple as humanly possible. So we were actually looking at someone's website where they had like this whole chunk of copy. And I was like, all right, we need to like keep one sentence, get rid of the rest. Like how could we keep this so simple? And then I just gave them an example of what it looks like on my website. I'm holding up my computer on my leg. So the example on my website, all I said was need more leads with a question mark. And that was it. And that was kind of like easy, right? Like keep things simple. The next tip would be say you more often. Act as if you're speaking to one person. So the copy that I was reviewing, they said like, hey all, or you guys, or something like that. You want to keep things really personal so people can feel that connection. And so they feel like you're talking to them and you're having a conversation with them and you're not like have like a broadcaster and you're speaking to the masses. How could you just act as if you're speaking to that one person that you're trying to reach, your ideal client? So say you instead of you guys or you all or what y'all, whatever it is that you say, right? And then the next tip I have for you is speak to their pain points. And so I've went through Marie Forleo's Copy Cure course, which was awesome, by the way. So good. I love Marie Forleo. And she talks about wet dreams and thinking about like what keeps your ideal client up at night. What are they really struggling with? And so think about their pain points. So we use the example, goodness, I don't even remember, but brain fart. This is what happens. I should have written down the example. That's okay. But I want you to think about who your ideal client is and get really specific. So who's that one person that you're trying to reach? And then think about what's keeping them up at night. So if they're like tossing and turning and they have something on their mind that they're really struggling with, what is it? What is that pain point? And then speak directly to that pain point. And when you start doing this, I swear, like things are really going to start to take off for you. It's when you have a super clear, concise message that's easy to digest that people are going to be able to relate to you that much more. So some good. Nicole says I would buy toilet paper from Marie Forleo. I know, she's the best. Hey, Nicole. Some really good book for you to read that's going to help you learn more about this concept is Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller. And if you go to his website, he actually has a free video series that you can walk through. So that's really awesome. So I would definitely check that out. If you have any questions about this, just comment below. And we are taking applicants right now for our next round of Activate. So if that's something that you want to be able to work with me and some other really purpose-driven entrepreneurs to help you grow your business, create and launch an online course, just send me a message and we can see if it'll be a good fit for you. So I got some work to do today, so I'm gonna let you go, but I hope you have an amazing day and I'll talk to you later.